Okay. Now, we just to let you know how this is structured, no? See, you have a 10-member panel, and then you have 5 regional sites, and then you have live streaming, so we need really to manage our time very well. And it is 20 minutes past 9. It's very rare that forums start on time, and we did. And I know that Senator Soto has to leave at 10 a.m., so we'll start with him. The way this is structured is this. You know, we received questions from the public for this forum through our Facebook page called the Medical Cannabis Policy Forum. So I did not invent these questions. This really came from the public. And they would really want to know from you about these questions. And to start with the Honorable Senator Vicente Soto, whose position we know, of course, no, about medical cannabis. But a question, Senator Soto, is this. If there is newfound and updated scientific evidence about medical cannabis, will you change your mind?
For that particular ingredient in marijuana, I will change my position. I will agree. But for that particular ingredient, no, like for example, heroin, opium poppy, it's illegal. But morphine out of opium poppy is allowed. Kung ganon ang pag-uusapan, papayag ako. Pero marijuana per se, kasama yung tetrahydrocannabinol, hindi pwede no matter what we do. Because it is disastrous to society. But if you're talking of that particular ingredient in marijuana and you extract it and you want to legalize it, by all means, go ahead. But, so, medical marijuana is a misnomer. You know, some people are using you guys to camouflage their intention of legalizing marijuana. Let's legalize cannabinol. Cannabidiol, which is the non-psychotic thing in marijuana, di ba? Oh, legalize that. But don't tell me we will legalize marijuana. Di ba? So if that is scientifically proven, I will even help you bring it before the United Nations Narcotics on Drugs, Commission on Narcotics Drugs, to prove to them, if we can prove that it is scientifically proven that cannabidiol can cure, and there are therapeutic. Then I will even help you. But as far as the main component of or ingredient of marijuana is concerned, we can't, because it is disastrous. We only hear of about a month ago, somebody killed a 6-year-old girl, raped and killed her. He was high on marijuana. You hear about this Leodogario guy from Jensan who took his baby by the feet and hinampas yung bata sa pader na baby niya, nalilito raw siya, but he was high on marijuana. We hear of those things. My second lead guitarist, Bernal Bunch, in my band during the Tilt Down Men days. I'm sure those of you who are past or below 60 don't remember that, but those past 60, shot himself. He was high on marijuana. No, and I can name hundreds and hundreds of accidents and killings. Marijuana may kasalanan eh. Kaya hindi po ako makukumbinsi when it comes to marijuana itself, because it's a bomb. It's going to be disastrous. But an extraction of a particular ingredient in marijuana that may have therapeutic value, I will agree. Yun po ang posisyon ko para maliwanag ko yung so the answer is yes. The answer is yes.
Oh, your grandfather will be very proud of you, Senator Soto. You know? Yeah, I think that's a good start for a discussion, right?
But then again, so that you do not You do not, you do misinterpret, and so that the young people, the young Filipinos will not misinterpret. Let's not call it medical marijuana.
What will we call it, Senator?
They call it another word.
Cannabis.
Hindi rin papasa sa UN eh. Hindi papasa. Call it the ingredient itself.
Cannabinoid.
Cannabidiol.
Cannabidiol.
Call it cannabidiol. Medical cannabidiol. Papasa yan.
I
Lulusot
see.
yan. But don't go for marijuana because once you do that, lahat ng enforcers kalaban nyo na.
Okay.
United Nations, kalaban nyo na. Dahil kaabusuhin eh. Sigurado, gagawin. Hindi, marijuana yan. Pwede yan. Siguro, yun ang pinaka-danger lang doon. Because of the name. So, tsaka sasamantalahin kayo, you will be used by the drug pushers. Sigurado, gagamitin kayo para maipasok, ma-legalize ngayon. And then, the danger is, we should learn from the experience of the other countries already. Look at Spain. Spain, 25 years ago ba yun? Legalized marijuana. After 5 years, they criminalized it again. Because dumami ang crimes na impluwensya ng marijuana. So, ang ginawa nila, allowed ang marijuana if you plant it and you use it, ikaw, personal use. In Spain, right now, that's the law. But once you sell it, kahit na isang stick, huli ka. It's illegal. Ganun yun sa Spain right now. Because, ngayon, Netherlands, as we speak, Netherlands, na napakaluwag sa droga, is now on a rollback. They are going to, because from the time that they legalized marijuana, which is their mistake that I hope we don't make, di ba? Dapat doon tayo sa medical part ng marijuana. Kasi sa kanila, marijuana itself eh. When they legalized it, recreational and things like that, nag-triple ang users. Nag-triple ang addict sa marijuana. So now, they're on a rollback. Ngayon, yun ang experiences nila eh. Denver, Colorado, even Washington itself is against Colorado now. The Office of the United States Drug Control Policy is now finding ways to go against this state law of Colorado. Kasi nga, again, we should learn from their mistakes. Kung we're going to move for legalization, go for the ingredient, like morphine. Like morphine ng heroin. But don't go for poppy. Don't go for opium. Do not legalize opium. Ganun yun eh. Do not legalize marijuana. Legalize cannabidiol. Pwede yun.
Thank you very much, Senator Soto, for clarifying your position. I guess before we move on and hear from the other panelists, let us welcome Cebu, UP Cebu. Good morning, UP Cebu. There you can see them there. Hey, you better look good now, because you're in you're on TV. Okay, so thank you so much, Senator Soto, for that very very clear statement of your position.